Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shake. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is the weekend. Anyways, so it's the weekend, and this weekend I have an event tomorrow, so I decided to vlog this weekend. So I have quite a few things done tonight and then tomorrow, and then we have concert Sunday. It's a whole bag of things and a whole lot of stress. Anyways, so I'm here tired, head hurt me, all sorts of something going on, but you know, we're giving all thanks. All right, so I have some stuff to be done, as I said, this evening. Not sure how that's all going, but yeah, it's currently raining right now, pouring cats and dogs outside. So we're gonna start with our prep and all of that. Just gonna have a lovely, fun, tiring weekend. All right, yeah. So one of the things I have on the agenda for this weekend, I gotta tackle folding all my clothes. Well, they're not all mine, but we need to fold up those. Also need to clean my room, and yeah. So this evening, what's on the list for this evening? As I said, the clothes definitely need to be done. The room definitely needs to be done. I have my hair to wash. I have my stuff to prepare for tomorrow. So I need to find what I'm wearing, pack my bag, comb my hair after I wash it, and all of that. We also need to clean the house. So yeah, we're leaving early tomorrow because we're going to a youth rally in Ocho Rios. So we're gonna need to leave early because it starts, I think, 9. I don't even know. I don't know, but we need to leave early. So all these things need to be done early tonight so I can get some sleep. So yes, I'm gonna just get some rest right now. My head is killing me, so I definitely need to just rest a little, just a tad bit. So yes, I'm gonna do that. Good morning, guys. So it is Saturday. It is currently about 4:50 or 4:40 something right now. I am tired. Anyway, so yesterday I started a vlog, but I didn't do anything yesterday. Well, I did stuff, but I didn't, film it. So I combed my hair, so you guys will see that. Well, it's not much. I'm just clearing it down. Anyways, and then I kind of look for the clothes. You see this pair of clothes? It's still not done. But yeah. Anyways, so I'm up. I'm tired. I have things to do before we leave today. So I'm gonna get some stuff done and then get ready. Alright guys, so this is what I'm wearing. We're supposed to be wearing pink, but I'm not pink. So that's what it's gonna wear. It's kind of peachish, more like, not really pink. But that's the best I can do because I don't have any pink. And so yes, I'm wearing that pink blouse and that bag of shorts. I'm wearing a hat because of how I comb my hair. It's gonna be fine. So yeah, I'm not done no other cracks. We're leaving, people. The flight is ready. Yes, ma'am.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
So can we try that again?
Yeah.
You, young at heart, pastors, members of the Jamaica Baptist Union Youth Department, good morning!
Good morning.
How are you feeling? We're feeling fine, amen? It's so wonderful to see you all. And I'm so happy that we're on the outside, inside the Ocho Rios Adventures Church.
Hallelujah.
The pleasure is mine this morning to keep running off to a wonderful start. And I will be handing over to a dynamic team, a dynamic duo, like the Jamaica Baptist Union has never seen before, and will never see again. Can I get a hallelujah?
Hallelujah.
Yes, we are talking about the fearless prayer warrior. Sometimes man, but work with her, because I understand she have a whole different level. But when you see this girl coming, you can understand some things won't be normal. You understand what I mean? Yeah, some of you probably experienced that. Yes, and she's here to bless us. But she's not alone. With her, she has, what would I say though? She draw next mad one with her. You know, say mad people want to mad people, right? Words one about Baptist mad people, right? Yeah. So she draw this young man that she has known for some time now. And they are inseparable on some occasions, such as this. He is another dynamic speaker, another prayer warrior, sometimes DJ, guest artist. He has given us some great hits, such as Who You Think Boy Take It. Ladies and gentlemen, please make welcome Kenisha Paula Henry and Andre Alain.
Buenos manos.
Jamaica Baptist Union Youth Department, let me hear you make some noise. You know the outside
I'm vlogging. Wait no man. Then now now look for me. Tell the crowd every top come up. Hi guys, we are heading out. We're left out a little bit to go get some stuff.
Don't be hungry, people.
Alright, so when we get to the destination, because you know say we can't have out the phone while walking. So I'll see you guys when we get to our destination and all of that. So
Exactly.
I've been wanting something for me. You
right here?
gave me nothing.
How do I know when to
I've
walk?
been wanting something for me. You gave me nothing.
And he said stop. What is that stop? He said stop. No?
Wanting something for me. You gave me nothing. I've been wanting something for me. You gave me nothing.
Guys, so walk down to Island Bridge. We're going to buy Starbucks. Yeah. The Starbucks trip. Hi, Shan. Hi.
I'm sweaty.
That's true. It's hot. Bye. For me, we got Starbucks people. Stop having this, right? Let me vlog. Somebody worse than me. What can you believe? Somebody worse than me. Oh, God.
The next day.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have not as yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Like this video, share, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.